welcome to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Scorpio, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from the 16th to the 23rd of October 2020, and we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you as a message for you from the universe. Alright, I'd like you all to please remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. This could be for you, your person, or the situation you're in. These could be vice versa readings as well for those who are cross-watching. Alright, if you want to do a personal reading with me, please feel free to email me. I have mentioned my email address in the box below, in the description box below. Alright, so now that I have that out of the way, what are the decks I'm using today? I'm using two decks. One's for your reading, which is the World Spirit Tarot deck, and the other cards I'm using as your oracle cards are the Threads of Fate. Alright, okay Scorpio, let's see what's happening for you in the week 16th to the 23rd of October 2020. Let's shuffle. All right, the overall energy for the card that I see, the reading today I see, is the Six of Wands. This means victory, being successful at something that you're pursuing for a while now, and let's see where that fits in. All right, in your recent past, I see the Devil, the Seeker of Pentacles, who is of course the Knight of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Your intuitions were very high. Your gut was very strong. You followed your gut and you pursued something, though it seemed very wrong at that time. You still decided to go in a certain way, whether this was in terms of business or starting something new. It may not have been very ethical, perhaps it wasn't by the book. You probably did something which was a little sly, and then told yourself perhaps at that point in time that all's fair in love and war. And you decided to take a particular road to getting to your goal, okay? And completely by the gut, completely being led by your gut and your intuition. Now, I'm not sure whether this is in terms of a decision when it came to your business, your work, or your personal front. Let's just see where it resonates. Coming to your present situation, your current situation, I see the Ten of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Six of Cups. This definitely was a relationship. You decided to do something unethical. Perhaps, the person was already with someone and you kind of did something to break them off with that person so that they are free and they could probably come back to you. Or you kind of decided to backstab on someone you are seeing currently, Scorpio, to get what you wanted. I definitely see some kind of a foul play, but in your eyes at that point in time in the past, it was all fair because, like I said, all's fair in love and war. You kind of justified it with your gut feeling, your intuition, and you went ahead and did what you wanted to do. But in your current situation, I see defeat, tiredness, exhaustion. You probably tried doing something, it didn't work, it kind of backfired. But I definitely see something new developing. All right, there is definitely going to be something new that's going to come by your way. So if you're investing in something from your past, which I think you have probably not focused on, you've only been focusing on this new energy. I feel that new energy could be coming back from someone you probably knew from the past. Okay, it's definitely somebody who you probably liked earlier on. And whatever you've done, you've exhausted yourself. Perhaps to get this person, but I definitely see something blooming here. Okay, something good's gonna come out of this. In the immediate future, I see the Temperance, the Ten of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. It clearly tells me that though you have everything probably working out for you eventually, you will have to do a lot of balancing. Okay, a lot of your emotional balancing, your mental balancing. There's a lot of effort that's really going to go into this, which is what has exhausted you in the past. So you need to watch out for that. I also feel that you can only do that much to gain somebody's love and attention. You probably have done it to the maximum. Now you need to wait and see, because it's about priorities. Okay, whether you fall into their list of priorities or they fall into your list of priorities, that needs to be seen. But from what I see as an overall card for your reading with the Six of Wands here, I think that it will come through. You will get what you want. It'll all go the way you want it to go, because I think all through with the High Priestess here, you have been very focused, you've been very driven by your gut. So, and with the Six of Wands here, it tells me that you are out to get what you want, and you probably will. Okay, so that's you, Scorpio, for this week of 16th to 23rd. Let's see what the Oracle cards have to say to you, your messages from the universe. We're looking at messages from the universe for Scorpio for the dates 16th to the 23rd of October 2020. Okay. Okay. Absolutely. Okay, so what I see from here is that the whole the crux of the issue, okay, I think you're holding on to something totally very deep. You are just focusing on probably the wrong things, pursuing the wrong things, probably because you think that you're bound to do it. It's genetic, it's something that you probably were supposed to get, it's written out for you. No, so you just need to go. If it's written out for you, it's going to happen for you. Okay, so don't try and change that. Okay, if it's meant to be, it will happen for you. So it's telling you to release any kind of toxic energy that you have in you, any kind of toxic thoughts you have in you, and try and connect with that problem or with that situation through your heart. Don't use your head. Do not try and manipulate things to make something happen. From what I saw in the reading, there was a bit of manipulation that you probably have done, Scorpio, to get what you want. But all I'm saying is, whatever you've done so far is done. You don't need to do more. You have put in your best foot forward, or whatever your best steps towards making it happen. Now just let it roll, because with the Six of Wands that you got in the past, I think it will eventually happen. But let it unfold on its own, because looks like this connection that you're trying to pursue is very deep. It's something which is not something which is so lame. It's probably deep rooted. It's probably been there for quite some time from both sides. You probably need to let that fruitation happen. So just release any doubts and fears that you have into the universe. Just give away all the negative thoughts that you have, and try and connect with the problem or the situation on hand using your heart and not your head. All right. Okay, Scorpio. So that's all I have for you for this week of 16th to the 23rd. I will see you next week then. Bye. Take care.